My name is Shireen Kavanagh. I'm from Courtown in County Wexford. I went to college in the South East Technological University, which is formerly Waterford Institute of Technology, and I studied architectural and BIM technology. So I work as a project manager. My role is to look at the clash detection of buildings, to go through different meetings, bring up different modelling errors, go through all the different data that's within models, so the model health checkers, the interface points between elements, and reviewing the models to make sure that elements aren't clashing. So I have multiple different meetings where I go through that, and my job then overall is just to look at the BIM aspect of management. It's very rare for someone as young as myself to be in a position where I'm working as a project manager with some of the major leading construction companies that are out there. This position is typically dominated by people with a vast array of construction knowledge, lots of on-site experience, so it was very empowering for the company to take me on and have such faith in me based off of my college experience and my educational knowledge. The onboarding process at GagaMuller Group was immensely detailed. We got lots of user guides, different processes and procedures, all thoroughly explained. I had multiple workshops with different management leads, going through how the processes worked, how the user guides attached to the processes, how it all came together, and I just had a continuous support going through all these until I understood what was happening. And then I was slowly introduced into projects where these processes were used, and I quickly picked them up then. I think I enjoy working with them the most when it comes to the actual collaboration aspect of models. So when they've seen similar issues on projects, where they've seen similar clashes, and just the discussions around them, that I can then bring their knowledge into some of my work as well. I think my most notable accomplishment is being able to go back to the college, to the present year's course, to see what they're doing, because that was the position I was in last year, and just show them how far I've come, to talk to them about some of the experiences I've had, and just be able to go through that with them from the other side of it, because that was me only a year ago, so it's very rewarding to look back on it and see how far I've come. I was invited back by the lecturers in my college to attend an event for women in technology as a guest speaker. So I was a guest speaker down at the arena to students doing their leaving cert, some TY students, just encouraging them as to why they should join the construction industry, and just being able to talk to them about my experiences and how it's not an unrare thing now for women to be in the construction industry, how it's becoming more and more common. I think the advice that I give to someone joining would be to ask as many questions as possible. There's a lot of different procedures and policies that come into how project management is run, and certain things that should and shouldn't be done. So to ask as many questions as possible, to go through all the user guides in depth, and there is a lot that's being given to people for the onboarding, so just to go through it and ask as many questions as possible.